In a world where well-being is an increasing focus, we ask, what does it mean to be truly well? Is it health? Mindfulness? Good nutrition habits? Helping others? Or is it in fact something more? Something all-encompassing?
We're living in a generation where half of humanity's social, spiritual, ecological knowledge is at risk.
And we really do want to change the world in a decade.
But if we are writing our stories, what kind of ending do we want to write?
As forward thinkers, we come together to push the boundaries of thought, delving into issues focused on our relationship with ourselves, each other, and the one place we all have in common: Earth.